Hello, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is April 20th, and I'm doing a review and outlook for the price of gold. This is gold's 4-hour chart, and in a review of last week's video, I'd shown you this falling wedge pattern. It is a positive pattern. The price of gold was supposed to break above it. However, fundamentals said differently, and the price of gold fell. I believe it started the week around here. This was the 15th, and early in the week, we heard that global mine production was hitting fresh highs. This came from a report from S&P Global Market Intelligence. I will leave a link down below from mining.com, this article. And you can also click this link in the article that will take you to S&P Global Market Intelligence report as well. And also, to further help you understand the global supply and demand, I will also include the guides. I recently updated the guides, the Free Bullion Investment Guides, supply and demand from 2010 through 2018. Numbers. I have it from two different sources, the USGS as well as the World Gold Council. So you can clearly see that since 2010 that global mine production has been on the increase. So that was the first reason for the slide in the gold price. The other reason was the retail sales numbers were better than expected. Retail sales came out at 1.6% for March, and economists were expecting 1.1%. So that also hurt the price of gold. It helped the dollar rise, and the price of gold just smashed right on through the pattern, the positive pattern, denying it and falling down to about the 1270 level. It's made a little bit of a $5 bounce right now. It looks like it's in consolidation. The MACD looks like it's changing directions, that it's in oversold territory, as well as the RSI is also showing that it's in oversold territory. So we should see a rebound, and that leads us to the outlook for next week. I have found a new falling wedge pattern in the price of gold. It looks quite literally like it could break it this week. So that's really what the pattern shows, and that's really what the MACD and the RSI are indicating, that gold is oversold and that we should see it break above the 1280 level. And clearly, if it breaks above the 1280 level, we should see it break. It will definitely break this pattern, as well as it should also test the 1290 level. Now, later in the week, we have the GDP report coming out. The gross domestic product report coming out on Friday, April 26th. And if it comes in above 1.5%, we could see a further fall in gold. However, early and mid-week next week, I expect gold to make a rebound and break this pattern and quite literally test the 1290 level. We'll have to see what the GDP report says before we can say whether or not it will test the 1300 level. But really, the biggest thing to keep your eyes on next week is the GDP report. So that's it for this week's review and outlook. I thank you for your time. I hope you and your family have a happy and safe Easter. Take care, and God bless.